Sox and Pirates working overtime at Fenway. Red Sox debut of Chris Sale. Sox gave up a king's ransom in prospects to get him, and he showed us why. Sale, 7 scoreless, 7 Ks, most impressive. No long sleeves under the uni. Bottom 3, Dustin Pedroia into right off Jamison Tyone. Sandy Leon runs through a stop sign, but you know what they say. Baseball is a game of redemption. Pedroia again, bottom 5. Second and third, 2 outs. Tyone was really good. 7 scoreless himself, top 10. Xander Bogaerts deep in the hole to retire David Freese, bottom 10. Bases loaded, 2 men away for Andrew Benintendi. And our game continues, bottom 12. Remember Leon getting thrown out at the plate? It's ancient history now. Sandy with a swing, sweet as candy. That's his first career walk-off hit. A game-winning 3-run shot to the Boston Beats. Sox take it 3-0 at 12. In 6 career season debuts as a starting pitcher, Chris Sale is 5-0 with a 1.73 ERA. Sox go for the sweep Thursday behind Eduardo Rodriguez. He battles Chad Kuhl.